Hello students, welcome to 9th Maths online classes. In our previous video, we were learning about how to make the bisector of angle and the bisector of a line. Now in today's video, we are going to construct some special type of triangles. So let's start. Now there will be three types of triangle we will be constructing. The first one is, there will be three things given to us in this question. The base angle and sum of two sides. What it's saying is, in any question we will be given the length of the base of the triangle. Then we will be given any of the two angles. Okay, either this angle or this angle will be given. Suppose this angle is given. Okay, this angle is given to us. Okay. Now the third one is sum of two sides. The sum of the other two sides will be given. Base is given to you and the remaining two sides, these two sides, the length of these two sides will not be given directly, but their sum will be given. That is, suppose this is ABC, then AB plus AC will be given to, it can be anything like 7 centimeter, 12 centimeter or anything. Okay, they will not be given directly, only base and one angle will be given and the sum of other two sides will be given. So let's see how to draw these type of triangles. Now let's take an example. BC equals to 7 centimeter, angle B equals to 75 degree and AB plus AC equals to 13 centimeter. So you can see that base is given, base angle, that is B and C. There are two base angles, one of them is given, angle B is given and the sum of other two sides is given. So first of all, the first thing which we will be doing is make the base. Okay, so we will take the base BC 7 centimeter. Okay, in the chapter of construction, you always need to write the steps of construction also. So, first step of construction will be draw BC equals to 7 centimeter. Now I need to make angle B equals to 75 degree. In the previous video, we learned how to make the angle of 75 degree and you need to follow that procedure. You cannot make 75 degree with the help of your protractor. You need to use the compass. Okay. So how to make 75? 75 degree was between 60 and 90. Right? 75 was between 60 and 90. So first of all, I will make 60 degrees. Then 90 degrees. This is my 60 degree and this is my 90 degrees. Now keeping compass here, I will make an arc. Then here we will make an arc and then join this. This will be my 75 degree. Now coming to the third thing. These two things I have drawn. Now coming to the third thing. AB plus AC equals to 13 centimeter. What I am going to do, I am going to extend this line till suppose X. Okay, we can name it anything. Don't name it A or C or B. Okay, so it can be X and now I will make an arc of 13 centimeter here. Suppose it cuts here. From this point B, we will make an arc of 13 centimeter on this line. Okay, and then we will join these two points. Okay, this point is not my A because this complete line is 13 centimeter. So if this is 13, then what it will be? It will be 0. It cannot be 0, na? So this is not my A. Okay, now I need to find A. How will we find it? The next step is draw the perpendicular bisector of, suppose this is Y, YC. Draw the perpendicular bisector of YC. How to make perpendicular bisector? From this point, open the compass half and make two arcs here and here. Okay. Then from this point, make two arcs, cutting the previous arcs. and then join. Okay, now this point where this bisector cuts this line is my A, and then we will join AC. And which will be my required triangle? This you will shade. Okay, now we will write the steps of construction. First step was draw BC equals to 7 centimeter. Second step was at B draw angle of 75 degree. This was the easier part. Now third is on BX make an arc of 13 centimeter. Let it cut at 1. Okay, I'm just writing whatever we have done. Draw a line BC, then make an angle of 75 degree. Then on BX, on this line BX, make an arc of 13 centimeter and let it cut the line at 1. Join by C. Fourth step was draw bisector of BC. Okay, we drew the bisector of BC. Let it cut BY at A. Okay, wherever it cuts this line, this will be my point A. Then fifth step is join AC and shade triangle ABC. Okay, this was the construction of the triangle. First we will draw the line, then angle, extend the line and make an arc of this much centimeter. Whichever the sum is given, you will make an arc of that much, and then join by C, make the perpendicular bisector and then let it cut at the point A. So this is the construction of triangle ABC. Now coming to the second type of construction of triangle. In this, base and base angle will be given, and the third thing will be difference of other two sides. Okay, in the previous one we were given the sum of other two sides. Now we are given the difference of other two sides. That is, suppose if I have the base, okay, we will be given the base of the triangle. Any of these two angles will be given. Suppose this angle is given, and then these two sides, their difference will be given. Suppose this is A, B and C, then AB minus AC will be given, or AC minus AB will be given. There are two cases of this construction. Okay, in the question it can be in this form also or in this form also, and in both the cases constructions are different. Okay, so let's take the case 1. Okay, AB minus AC. That means AB is greater than AC. Okay, and AC minus AB means AC is greater than AB. AC is greater than AB, that's why AC minus AB, right? Because AC is greater than AB, so we can take AC minus AB. If AB is greater than AC, we can take AB minus AC. So let's take the example of both the cases. Now in this question, you always need to draw the rough figure to understand which type of construction is this. Either it's the case 1 or the case 2. Okay, first of all, BC, the base is given, so I can draw, this is my BC, and then this point is A. Okay, AB minus AC means this side is longer, right? AB is greater than AC. That means if this line is greater than this line, then this is the case 1. Okay, and if in any question this line is greater than this line, that is AC is greater than AB, then this will be the case 2. So this is the question of case 1 and see how to make it. It is exactly the same as the addition one. Okay, we are going to do the same steps. The first one is draw BC of 7 centimeter. Okay, then make angle of 45 degree. How to make angle of 45 degree? We have done this in the previous video. 45 is the half of 90. That means first of all we will make the angle of 60, 120, 90 and then its bisector. How to make bisector? Put your compass here and then here. This is my 45 degree. Okay, this angle is my 45 degree. So this much work is done, BC and angle B. Now what was the next step of this addition one? Was to extend this line and make an arc of 3.5 centimeter. Okay, so we will make the arc of suppose 3.5 centimeter. This is my 3.5 centimeter and then this is my point. Y, we will join YC, right? And the next step was making the perpendicular bisector of YC. How to make? Put your compass at C, open it more than half and make an arc here and make an arc here. Okay, make an arc here and make an arc here. Similarly from Y, we will make 2 arcs and then we will join them. But now you can see that this bisector didn't cut this line anywhere, right? We need to cut the bisector to this line, right? So what I am going to do, I am going to extend both the lines until they cut each other. Okay, they are cutting each other at this point. And wherever it cuts the angle line, this will be my A. And we will join A, C. So my required triangle will be A, B, C. Okay, so the steps were same but angle looks little different. In the summation one, we got the inside angle, that was the smaller angle, and in the subtraction, we got the larger angle, that is the big angle, angle ABC. Now coming to the case 2. Now suppose in the same question, we were given AC minus AB equals to 3.5 centimeter. Okay, in the same question, it is now the case 2. How? Because now this side AC is greater than this side. Okay, so this is case 2. How to make the triangle? First make 7 centimeter BC and then 45 degree. How to make it? First we will make 90, then 45 degree. This is my 45 degree. Now in this question, instead of extending this line on the upward direction, we will extend it below. Okay, we will extend it here. Okay, this is what you need to remember, that in the second case we will extend the line downwards. Then what I am going to do, now I will make the arc of 3.5 centimeter here. Okay, suppose this is my 3.5 centimeter and this is my Y. Next part is join YC. Okay, then again make the perpendicular bisector of YC. It will be like this. Then join these 2 points. Okay, now where does this line cut my angle? At this point. Okay, not the angle of 90 degree, the angle of 45 degree. Okay, it cut it here. So this will be my point A and join AC. So this triangle is my required triangle ABC. Okay, this is the construction of second type. How did we do it? Instead of extending it on this side, we will extend it downwards. Then the steps are same. Make an arc of 3.5, join it, make perpendicular bisector and see where it cuts the line with angle B, that is 45 degrees. So this is the construction of three type of triangles. This is where our chapter ends. I hope you understand today's topic. Keep practicing and thank you.